Hey everyone, welcome back to Drew Drives. Today let's go for a quick drive in this 2022 Genesis GV70. So this GV70 is a 2.5 liter turbo, so it has 300 horsepower. You can also get a 3.5 liter engine, which produces 375 horsepower. It's pretty nice in here. You have this 2-spoke steering wheel. Like the sport models have like the 3-spoke, which I prefer. And then the screen is pretty big, as you can see over there. Nice materials throughout. You have heated seats. You can adjust all your AC controls there. It's a nice screen. Door panel looks pretty good. It's a nice interior. You have a wireless charging tray over there. You can just slide your phone in that. Parking sensors. Drive modes: snow, eco, comfort, sport. It's a partial digital gauge cluster. The right half is digital, but the left half is analog. You have metal controls. Like not many cars have this, where like the controls are metal. Window controls, mirror controls. It's metal instead of being like plastic or something like that. But with that, let's get going. Let me turn that auto hold off. That's annoying. Now it's off. Oh, and by the way, let's actually look at this. This gear shifter has a nice weight to it. Feels satisfying to turn it into gear as your reverse camera, and you also have parking sensors. Yeah, I'm very impressed with the materials in this car. For a subcompact SUV crossover, it's quite nice. Even the turn signal stock feels nice. Pretty nice pickup. Ride is very comfortable. Seats are really comfortable. It's a pretty nice little SUV right here. So this one, it looks like this doesn't have like the turn signal camera that a lot of Hyundai and Kias have. When you put on the signal and it shows up on the screen, I think you might have to have the full digital gauge cluster for that feature to be in effect. But yeah, this like 2-spoke steering wheel gives it like an old, like a grandpa car vibe. That's why I prefer the 3-spoke. These headrests are really plush. Like I'm just resting my head on it right now. It feels really, really comfortable for me. paddle shifters are nice too. Metal paddle shifters. I give Genesis a 10 on effort for for materials in here. You do not find these kinds of materials in many luxury cars around this price point. And your blind spot alert is in the mirror over there. But anyways, let's finish up this video with a quick walk around as we always do. Black exterior, black wheels. I like the material of the grille and the trim. It's like this nice platinum finish. The chrome, dark chrome is what you call it. These chrome exhaust garnishes. This is all-wheel drive. Legroom wise, I mean, so I'm 6'1", and I had the seat pretty far back. I'm still able to kind of fit here. I mean, obviously, if it's a person shorter than 6 feet, you could fit people back here pretty easily. There's no sunroof in this vehicle. Wait, this is a really nice interior. It's weird, but I've always found it weird how like Hyundai and Genesis cars have like window locks in the back seats. Like, I don't know if that's something you want to have like your kids in the back messing with, right? You have the engine remote start as well. But anyways, that's about it. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.